Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. I don't know if you've taken any trips yet this year or this summer, but I just came back from one and I actually followed some of my own advice, which is kind of comical because packing for me has always been one of my most difficult parts of my minimalist journey. But this time I packed lighter and I'm so much happier. So this video is about minimalist travel packing and the essential tips for a stress-free journey. So as you know, traveling can be an exciting adventure, but packing can also be a source of stress and frustration. When you embrace minimalist approach to travel, packing can actually transform your journey, making it smoother, much more organized, and definitely more enjoyable. By focusing on the essentials and reducing the clutter in your suitcase, you can actually ensure a stress-free travel experience that aligns more with your healthy minimalist lifestyle. So here's how to pack like a minimalist for your next trip. So there's definitely benefits to packing light. So when you travel light, you're more free. So packing minimally means you carry less, which translates to easier, more flexible travel. A lighter bag is easier to maneuver, whether you're navigating through the crowded airports or the busy streets or the remote trails. You spend less time worrying about your luggage and more time enjoying your trip. The second thing is you save money. So minimalist packing can also save you money because fewer items you can avoid the checked baggage fees, the hassle of waiting at baggage claim after your trip when all you want to do is go home. And additionally, a smaller, lighter bag can actually help you, have this avoid the strict weight limits at an airport. The third thing it can do is reduce stress. So a cluttered suitcase can actually lead to a cluttered mind. So by packing only what you truly need, you simplify your travel experience and reduce the stress dealing with excess belongings. So it always reminds me of times I have bought so many things, and number one, it was heavy. Number two, I couldn't find stuff. Number three, I never wore half of the stuff that I brought. So that's why I'm so committed to packing a little bit more like a minimalist. So when you know exactly where everything is in your bag, you can make your journey much more pleasant and less chaotic. So there are a few essential tips for minimalist travel packing. One is to plan and prioritize. Before you start packing, make a list of what's essential based on your destination, the length of your trip, your planned activities, and also make sure to check the weather. Prioritize items that are versatile, that can be used in multiple settings. This way, you can ensure that you have everything you need without overpacking. So my virtual assistant has traveled all over the world with a national airline, and I've gotten a lot of these tips from her because, as you know, as a flight attendant, you travel all over the world, and you definitely do not want to be traveling with too much. The second thing, a second tip for traveling like a minimalist is to choose versatile clothing. So make sure you select clothing that you can mix and match, that will create multiple outfits. So opt for neutral colors, simple designs that can be dressed up or dressed down. For instance, just a good pair of slacks, a few shirts, sweaters, a versatile dress, and a lightweight jacket can cover various occasions and definitely weather conditions. And then the third tip is to pack multi-purpose items. So when you bring items that serve multi-purposes, like a scarf that can be used as a blanket when the plane is cold, a beach cover-up, or as an accessory to change up a pretty outfit. So multi-purpose items help you pack less and still meet your needs. The fourth one is packing cubes. Now, I was never one to use packing cubes, but now I'm definitely a fan. So packing cubes are a minimalist best friend because they help you organize your belongings, making it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire bag. So cubes can also compress the clothing, allowing you to fit more into that smaller space. And number 5 is to limit your toiletries. So when it comes to toiletries, first of all, hotels have so many already, but think small and think essential. So travel size bottles of your favorite products can save space, and they can also comply with the security regulations. And consider solid toiletries like bar soap and that kind of thing, because they take up less space and they're easier to pack than liquids. And number 6 is to embrace the digital tools. This is so important. How lucky are we to have downloadable ebooks, audiobooks, and how lucky are we to have those apps that are maps and travel guides and our tickets. All of this reduces the need for the physical copies of books and so forth that we used to travel with. And the next thing is a healthy minimalist living. You can live healthy on the road. So stay active. A minimalist approach to travel also aligns with your healthy lifestyle. So pack lightweight, portable exercise equipment. It could be resistant bands or a small yoga mat of some kind. Take advantage of opportunities to walk, to hike, to bike, and explore your destination. And the next thing is to, of course, eat mindfully. So eating well on the road, I always found this rather difficult, but now that I've been packing snacks like nuts or dried fruits or granola bars, it helps to avoid that temptation for eating fast food on the road. And then the minimalist mindset is just an overall thing to be thinking about, because it's really about focusing on experiences. A minimalist travel mindset is about valuing experiences over possessions. And by packing light, you free yourself from the burden of the material things, and you open up that space for new experiences, exploration, and adventure. So it's an opportunity to focus on the journey, the people that you meet, the memories that you can create. And also, a minimalist mindset helps you stay present. So traveling minimally encourages you, the mindfulness and just being present without the distraction of excess belongings. You can fully engage in your surroundings and savor the moments of your trip. And last but not least, if you're ready for that next adventure, adopting a minimalist approach to travel packing can lead to a more enjoyable and stress-free journey. By focusing on just the essentials, you simplify your travel experience and enhance your overall well-being. So I hope that this helps. And if you want more tips on minimalist living and decluttering, check out my new book. It's called Rita's Minimalist Essentials. There are checklists, there's workbook. It's a comprehensive guide that's packed with room-specific checklists and a 30-day challenge, turning decluttering into a joyful adventure. So you can get this on my website, Rita Wilkins at ritawilkins.com. I hope this helps.